this is the forum wherein actually you can understand how other companies are behaving, what is the best practices they are adopting. So we thought of creating this kind of segment in the industry. We wanted to become a little different, so we partnered with MDI and we partnered with Spark Minda to start this.
This is a unique program, one of its kind. My special thanks to Yes Bank team.
It was well organized by I think Yes Bank and Minda jointly, and there were a lot of good sessions also we had since yesterday.
Thank you so much to Yes Bank, the MDI Institute and our customer Minda for organizing such an insightful training program for 2 days. I'm very happy that we had a very interactive discussion.
How Yes Bank is actively engaging with its partners to actually do the capacity building for their customers and customers.
Thank you very much Yes Bank for making this arrangements possible for all of us, for the entrepreneurs, and I am very grateful to learn a lot of things from here, and really been an awesome experience for me, and I learned a lot of things.
Thank you Yes Bank, thank you Minda team for organizing such a wonderful platform to understand the some of the tools to optimize the process which is involved into the manufacturing area, into the marketing, into the some of the areas where we can improve the process